decided not to put it all now. Don't worry about that. We'll clean it all. That shoulder's getting sore, just in that. Look at that. Like that. That's an interference fit on there, it's going to be tight. That would just all wobble about, won't it? We've got a couple of wee marks on it, but nothing ridiculous. That's the problem. Just catch it on the edge here. Bearing sits in there, and then when you tighten it up, well, I don't know if a bandit would have had tapered rollers in it, or I'd imagine they're factory ones because they don't look new, do they? Look at the rust on them, look, see it? So the rust on the rollers. So that was making when the steering was on the bike, right, so it was facing that way, and we turned it, it was going clunk, 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 a wee bit. And they play at it, but what it was doing was jamming up big time. So what we're going to do, that'll be a wee bearing and a big bearing. See the big one at the bottom, wee one at the top. So that's coming out now. And we're going to then put this in the vise. No damage, nothing. And this bit's going to get removed. It might not be that tight, it might be, it might not be. There we go. Bearing track will just fall apart and leave that metal bit on it. That's what you're left with. And I see all the lines on it and all the marks. I've seen worse head bearings than that, to be fair. So what we're going to do now is put a wee chisel between that to leave it off. But be careful not to damage the actual main steering head bit. Right, so you don't want to squeeze that too much. But you shouldn't mark that because you're looking for a wee dirty chisel. In the chisel box. One I prepared earlier. We'll need a wee toy hammer, I don't need to go mental. We don't want to mark anything. If in doubt, you could, if you don't want to see any marks on this yoke, you could turn it in such a way which the back of the yoke is there. See where the dirt is? Which you're never going to see when it's on the bike. Look at the state of the bearing now, see it? There's where your problems arise if you see it all rusty. See it? What that is hammer this track that way. You need a bigger hammer. Claw hammer now. Right. And never beat a claw hammer, joiner's hammer. And then if it's a wee bit tight at all, just put that down the side of it. And that'll push it out. So that should just chop off. Got a heavier chisel. and hammer that down the wedge between it. This is a wee bit heavier. You don't want to mark the surfaces, no, there and in there, because when you go for a new bearing on, it'll not sit nice. So if I can get in here, get a wee chap, should come out. It's not want to move now, because the bearing will be coggled a wee bit. So if I put something in between it, wide, like that. I think I've got a wide screwdriver, a wide chisel. Couple of wee marks on it. Right, so this bearing head's got to come out. See all the lines on it? See it? All the lines and it's stuck and it's notchy. There's no grease on it, bone dry. That's how the bearings are. It's hard to turn the bearings. So
what causes that?
Just age and obviously wear and tear. Age and wear and tear. Oh. So that's your bikes are stripped down to the bones. The bones of it. And I do have tracks on that. Go and give me the handlebars there so they're not hanging away down there like that. Notice that's got a spacer in it. If I can set the bars in the back a wee bit. Stephen many moons ago. Right, so we're going to take a big bit of grease, we put it in a palm of our hand, like that.
If you take a fifth wheel in that line.
And we're going to pack that bearing with grease. Right, that's in like that. We just keep working it in like that. Okay, we're working the grease into the bearing. Get it right round the bearing full. Get it full up, packed, good, well packed. Weight gloves on I might add. Right, so obviously, because you couldn't get into fully pack it with grease, so we need to get it packed with grease.
Tell us again how that feels, because it didn't have a seal.
It didn't have a seal, a weather seal, a rubber seal on it to stop the water and crap getting into it. And it also stops all the grease from flowing out. So you notice that was bone dry. There were no, the heat bearings were. It's a thing overlooked on a lot of motorbikes. And even when they do an MOT on them, they're like, slight notchiness. Drive the bike with them fucked and you'll see, pardon the French, Mr. Video Maker. So, when they're really knackered like that, it makes the bike horrible to handle. I couldn't go on a bend right, because it felt like you're driving a plank of wood. So there's no give on it, so it's a bump that's solid, it's kind of stuck in that wee notch. Right. I'll put some more grease on it before I put it in the bike. Right, so basically it's all packed into the bearing. It's really need to pack it into it because some of it's going to end up dry. Right, so you'll see, then we'll pack it back on the bike. I'll put another filament around it. Right, but that's basically going to go in here. So I don't have a suitable tube to be able to tackle that for that. So I need to make some. So obviously I'm going to get a wee bit of grease on my hands, putting the thing together. So that's the top bearing. Collects my Honda keys there. So this bit here, you could probably set that across the top of the vise and hit the top of that, but I'm going to just get something in there like a punch and punch the bearing down. Well, they won't go over the top of it, so you need something that will go right with it and it won't. So what we'll do here is Slayer, what's this again? See the dogs last night, they're freaking out. Next door neighbours was. Right, so I'm not going to damage this rope, so what I'll do is I'll take the bolts out of the long one was for the brake cal, the brake flexi, and the short one was the speedo cable back for that, see that bracket? That's not too much, that's not right damage it. So I want to put a bit of wood across the top of that now so we don't damage that and you can put it. Speed and drive. I'll try and get take out the rope so I can see it. So basically, let me take it back. Is that Maggie? Can you get in the new Maggie? So what we'll try and do is get on that bearing track. What can we use to tap it down?
Is your bearing, no?
Well, to an extent, aye. That's what we do with car ones. We sit that down there, take it started. I mean, it'll go down so far and it won't go down, you know what I mean? There's the wee hammer, the wee copper. So we'll use this in now. Well, that was just thinking off your real merits there. So it's hitting that inside bit and no hitting. Can I get in the new Doug? So this is only going so far anyway. It's called a safety rod it there. And once it goes on, it'll straighten itself, you know what I mean? Once it's so far away. And that'll no damage. That's the grease holding that one too. That's that start up there, so I think it's to get it that side. Because I know why damage that needle track, you know what I mean? And then that gear's finished with that bit of the yoke, back to the bike to cut to use that tool to take them tracks off the bike. Sometimes I've got a groove cut out the frame. Are you ready? Oh, when I do that, damage the bearing. I do a tube on the top of that. Don't cut the hats that be done.
Can you not use the vice and screw it in?
No. So maybe you do it like that. It's done now quite a bit actually. See it on the actual raised bit, see it starting to go into it? So as long as we hit it. But I'll no bottom it, but I'll know about to get it all the way down with this. That's how much you afford did it.